This video, Zoning 201, Tiny House on Wheels, is one of a series of 6 by Tiny House Atlanta that demonstrates some tools and methods you can use to research existing local zoning codes to discover where tiny houses are allowed under current ordinances. This video is based on 2 assumptions. One, that you are researching where you can live in a tiny house on wheels, and 2, that you are familiar with the concepts found in our earlier videos, Zoning 201 Prologue and Zoning 201 First Steps. You can find these on this YouTube channel or at Tiny House Atlanta, which is where we are right now. The purpose of this video is to show you how to discover if a jurisdiction will allow a tiny house on wheels to be lived in as a primary residence. This is a consideration that very few cities or counties have even considered. In searching the ordinances, you need to be creative in how you conduct your search. You're not going to find anything under tiny houses on wheels. It might be listed as a recreational vehicle, as a travel trailer, as a mobile home, as a manufactured home, something like that. You'll need to be creative in your search because these ordinances can be very big and you'll need to use the search box in looking for what you're looking for. So earlier I had used Marietta, Georgia, also Chamblee, Georgia as examples in different searches. I was kind of disappointed in Marietta. They weren't very helpful at all when it comes to tiny houses. And I think just to show you another jurisdiction, I have selected Decatur, Georgia. Now I have gone directly to their Unified Development Ordinance. Notice they don't call it Zoning Ordinance, they called it Development Ordinance, which is the same thing Chamblee did. So sometimes you have to be alert and clever as you search their website. Actually, I looked at Decatur earlier and I did get to the Unified Development Ordinance, and it was in Municode instead of this. This is kind of a PDF, and you could save it as a PDF, kind of a PDF type document. But actually I like the document. It's better than Municode. They show some, they have a graphical way of displaying information and pictures, and it can be very useful. But at least we have the ordinance open. Now I'm going to search it by using just the Command F, which will open a search box. And as you can see, I've already looked for mobile homes. I actually searched this earlier. Man, recreational vehicles I couldn't find anything under recreational vehicles. I tried manufactured homes, and while I think there was something there, I wasn't clever enough to catch it. But finally, when I put in mobile home, did it conduct the search I could use. Actually took me right to, here's manufactured homes. How did I miss that when I hit the search earlier? But that's what happens. Manufactured homes and trailers. Ooh, I don't like it when it starts with "it shall be unlawful." But let's see. Any trailer, mobile home, travel trailer, pickup coach, motorized home, boat trailer, utility trailer. I think they're trying to say tiny house on wheels. And here, utility to store. All right, this is storing. We want a private residential property. Okay, well, all right, not exceeding 8 feet, 30 feet. Yeah, well, we know that about if you've done any research on tiny houses on wheels. Yeah, now here it's just talking about size too. Let's look at 3. Yeah, I mean, I love the way they show these things graphically. It's just, I certainly can understand it better that way. Let's see. At no time shall a parked or stored trailer be occupied or used for living, sleeping, or housekeeping purposes. Looks like Decatur is pretty clear that you cannot live in a tiny house on wheels within the city limits of Decatur, Georgia. So if that's what you're looking for, you'll need to expand your search to other jurisdictions, perhaps counties or cities farther from the metro area. That finishes the scope of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.